Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to display fields from related objects using Salesforce Lightning component. This is incredibly useful when you need to view and edit information from related records without constantly switching between different pages, making your workflow much more efficient. Let's start by creating a quick action on your related object. First, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Setup. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can customize your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, look for the Object Manager tab beside the Home tab and click on it. From here, select the object you want to work with, like Contact. This opens up all the customization options for that particular object. Next, navigate to Buttons, Links, and Actions in the left sidebar and click on New Action. You'll see several action types appear. For our purpose, choose Update a Record, then select your record type if applicable. Enter a clear label for your action, something like Edit Related Contact, so you and your team can easily identify it later. Once you've filled in these details, click Save to proceed. Now you'll be taken to the Action Layout Editor. This is where you'll add the specific fields you want to display from your related object. Simply drag and drop the fields you need into the layout area, arranging them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. After you've added all the necessary fields, click Save. Your quick action is now created and ready to be used. The next step is to add this action to your page layout. Go back to the Object Manager for your related object and select Page Layouts. Find and click on the relevant layout you want to edit. This opens the Page Layout Editor where you can customize how information appears to users. Look for the section labeled Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions. This is where you'll drag and drop your newly created quick action. Once it's in place, click Save to apply these changes. Now we need to add the related record component to make everything visible on your main object page. Navigate to a record of your main object, for example, a case record. Click on any sample case to open it, then click the gear icon again and select Edit Page. This launches the Lightning App Builder, which is your tool for customizing record pages. In the Lightning App Builder, use the search bar to find the related record component. Once you've located it, drag it onto your page where you want it to appear. Click on the component to configure it. Set the header label to something descriptive like Contact Details, so users know exactly what information they're looking at. Next, click Edit Lookup and select the appropriate lookup field, such as Contact Name. Click Done to confirm your selection. Finally, in the Update Action dropdown, select the Edit Related Contact action you created earlier. Click Save to finalize everything. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Salesforce Lightning component to display fields from related objects, making your data more accessible and your workflow more streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.